Hey everyone! If you're a small business owner struggling with marketing, you're not alone. Many businesses face challenges because of these 3 big mistakes. But don't worry, I'm here to help you avoid them. The first mistake: no clear strategy. Many businesses post randomly, hoping for results. But without a proper plan, your efforts won't lead to growth. Think of marketing like a roadmap. Without directions, you'll get lost. Solution: create a structured strategy with goals, content plans, and consistency. Know what to post, when to post, and why you're posting. The second mistake: ignoring audience insights. Just because something worked for another business doesn't mean it'll work for yours. Your audience has unique preferences, problems, and behaviors that you need to understand. Solution: use analytics and customer feedback to tailor your marketing. Study engagement metrics and adjust your content to match what your audience loves. The third mistake: selling too much too soon. Marketing isn't just about pushing products, it's about building trust. If you focus only on selling, people will tune out. Solution: provide value first. Educate, entertain, and engage with your audience before asking for a sale. Build relationships, and sales will follow naturally. Now that you know these common mistakes, you can start improving your marketing strategy today. Which mistake do you see most often? Let's discuss in the comments. And don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next one.